Hey there, Alabama shoppers! Ever heard of AliExpress? It's a treasure trove of deals and unique finds just waiting for you. It's like a giant online flea market. But instead of haggling over prices in person, you're scrolling through deals from your couch. Imagine finding everything you need without even stepping out of your home. You can find everything from clothes, whether you're looking for the latest fashion trends or just some comfy loungewear, and gadgets, from the latest tech to quirky gifts that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, there's a huge selection of home goods to spruce up your living space. And the best part? The prices are crazy low. You won't believe the bargains you can score. Now you might be thinking, Jimmy, is this too good to be true? I know, it sounds almost unbelievable. I get it, I was skeptical at first too. But after a few purchases, I was hooked. But trust me, AliExpress is legit. It's a reliable platform where you can shop with confidence. It's owned by Alibaba, a massive Chinese e-commerce company. They're a giant in the online shopping world. They're like the Amazon of China, but with even more stuff. The variety is mind-blowing. AliExpress connects you directly with sellers, mostly from China. This direct connection helps keep prices low and offers a unique shopping experience. That's how they keep prices so low. You get great deals straight from the source. Shipping can take a bit longer than what you're used to, but hey, good things come to those who wait, right? Patience is key when you're getting such amazing deals. So, are you ready to join the millions of savvy shoppers who are already scoring amazing deals on AliExpress? Let's dive in and start exploring the endless possibilities. All right, folks, let's talk numbers. AliExpress is huge. It's not just big, it's a colossal marketplace that has taken the world by storm. We're talking over 100 million products for sale. Yes, you heard that right. Over 100 million. That's more than all the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Imagine the sheer variety and options you have at your fingertips. Okay, maybe not that many, but you get the point. It's an astronomical number of products. Over 20 million people from around the world shop on AliExpress every single day. That's a massive crowd of shoppers. That's like the entire population of Alabama hitting up the same website. Imagine the buzz and activity. From Birmingham to Mobile, folks are discovering the joy of AliExpress deals. It's a shopping revolution. And guess what? AliExpress ships to over 200 countries and regions worldwide. That's nearly every corner of the globe. So no matter where you are in the Yellowhammer State, you can get in on the action. Pretty cool, huh? It's like having a global marketplace right at your doorstep. Now that you know AliExpress isn't messing around, let's get you set up with an account. It's time to dive into this incredible shopping experience. Creating an AliExpress account is easier than making sweet tea. It's a breeze and takes just a few minutes. Head over to the AliExpress website and look for the register or sign up button. It's usually right there, easy to spot. You can usually find it at the top of the page, just waiting for you to click. You'll need to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure it's something secure. Choose something you'll remember, but don't use the same password you use for your online banking, okay? Safety first. A strong password is key. Once you've entered your info, AliExpress will send you an email to verify your account. This step is crucial. Just click the link in the email and boom, you're officially part of the AliExpress family. It's that simple. Now let's go find some bargains. There are countless deals waiting for you. Happy shopping! Okay, so you're on AliExpress and it's a little overwhelming, right? Don't worry, I got you. Think of AliExpress like a giant department store. They've got categories for everything. Clothes, electronics, home goods, you name it. Use the search bar at the top of the page to look for specific items. Want a new phone case? Type it in. Looking for a funky hat? They've got you covered. AliExpress also has these cool filters to help you narrow down your search. You can filter by price, color, size, brand, and even shipping options. It's like having your own personal shopping assistant.